guys, so today we're going to be breaking the master lock. I already broke it, but I'm going to be breaking this side right here. So basically, the only reason I'm breaking it is because I lost the two keys to it and ended up having to go all the way to Lowe's, picking up a bolt cutter, and then coming all the way back just to do all this shit. I got it though. Everything's fine now. I was just annoyed that I actually had to go all the way to Lowe's just to get a bolt cutter, just to get my fucking phone. It's very annoying. Alright, so let's get cracking here. Basically, what I'm gonna do is, so usually when you get the bolt cutter, it'll be completely down all the way down like that. You want to open it up all the way, or however big you need it. Alright, and then put it directly over the spot. So once you got it over, so once you have the lock in position, like this, you're going to want to have it on a flat surface. I have it on the ground. And I usually step on this part, so it's like steady. And then what you want to do, you want to put all your force into that. And it breaks.